Hello, I'm Ivy Lopez. I am a nurse and a government employee. And this is my debonair and very understanding husband, Franco, a businessman and a manager. We are building this business to give our three children not only quantity but quality time to work because we want to, not because we have to, because it's really nice to have more than one options in life. And three is to bring us and help as many people as we can to journey with us towards financial freedom. With the help of the system also, it's a very wonderful and excellent system that we have, Network 21. It has given me the confidence to be a businesswoman and a leader. Because I am a nurse, not a businesswoman. Okay? But most importantly, it has taken out my option of going abroad, looking